Welcome to WEIR Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of February 27th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is Dr. Seuss. The Tooth Book by Dr. Seuss, writing as Theo Lesigue, illustrated by Joe Matthew. Who has teeth? Well, look around and you'll find out who. You'll find that red-headed uncles do. Policemen do, and zebras too. And unicycle riders do. And camels and their drivers do. Even little girls named Ruthie all have teeth. All Ruths are toothy. Teeth, you'll find them everywhere, on mountaintops and in the air. And if you care to poke around, you'll even find them underground. You'll find them east, west, north, and south. You'll find them in a lion's mouth. Teeth, they are very much in style. They must be very much worthwhile. They come in handy when you chew, says Mr. Donald Driscoll Drew. That's why my family grew a few. They come in handy when you smile, says Smiling Sam the Crocodile. They come in handy in my job, says High Trapezer Mike McCobb. If I should ever lose a tooth, I'd lose my wife, and that's the truth. Teeth come in handy when you speak, says news broadcaster Quincy Queek. Without my teeth, I'd talk like ducks, and only broadcast quacks and clucks. You're lucky that you have your teeth, says a sad, sad snail named Simon Sneath. I don't have one. I can never smile like Smiling Sam the Crocodile. Clams have no teeth, says Pam the Clam. I cannot eat hot dogs or ham. No teeth at all, says Pam the Clam. I cannot eat roast leg of lamb or peanuts, pizzas, popcorn, Spam, not even huckleberry jam. Without teeth, we can't play trombones, says a jellyfish named Jimbo Jones. I have no teeth, says Hilda Hen, but women do, and so do men. So I have happy news for you. You will grow 2 sets, set 1, set 2. You will lose set number 1, and when you do, it's not much fun. But then you'll grow set number 2, 32 teeth and all brand new, 16 downstairs and 16 more upstairs on the upper floor. And when you get your second set, that's all the teeth you'll ever get. So don't chew down trees like beavers do. If you try, you'll lose set number 2. And don't be dumb like Mr. Glotz. Don't break your teeth untying knots. And don't be dumb like Kathy Klops. Don't try to chew off bottle tops. Don't gobble junk like Billy Billings. They say his teeth have 50 fillings. They sure are handy when you smile, so keep your teeth around a while. And never bite your dentist when he works inside your head. Your dentist is your teeth's best friend. Bite carrot sticks instead. The end. Well, in order to keep your teeth healthy, you need to brush them. So, we're going to brush your tooth. In your Craft to Go kit, you will have a yellow icky tooth. He's very happy though, because he knows he's going to get brushed. Look how happy. And you'll also find a toothbrush. And all you're going to need for this is some white paint. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the toothbrush, put it in the paint, pretend that's toothpaste, and brush the tooth. Make them all white. Brush your teeth till they're hanging in white. Brush them, morning, noon, and night. You should always brush your teeth after you eat, before you go to bed, when you wake up in the morning. Make sure they're nice and clean so that you can keep them, especially once you get your second set. And that's all you do. He's not totally white, but you can see he's got nice and clean.